Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand spanking new video. And in today's video, we will be interviewing the solar system in Universe Sandbox. I'm pretty sure you've already heard of this game. But let's start. I'm gonna do the inner solar system first for part 1. Part 2 will be the outer solar system, and then part 3, the finale, the last part will all be the trans-Neptunian objects. So let's start. First, we obviously got the sun. The sun is a big ball of gas that keeps the entire solar system together because it is a star. If you go to the composition, nothing except hydrogen. That's all I have for the sun. Now all we are gonna do Mercury, and you can see that Mercury has a solid composition right here. It has a good iron core. Anyways, you can see its cratery surface right here. And it actually has a tail that you cannot see. It's not made of material. It's just like comets. It's made of the sun's sodium. It's actually made of sodium, in case you didn't know. And just so you know, Mercury is 161 degrees Celsius. It doesn't have any atmosphere. But there's still some Jose lights on here. How is that possible? Also, there is no water on the surface because it would evaporate. Now we're going on to Venus. So Venus has a thick atmosphere. So this is what it looks like underneath, in case you don't know. So Venus has a really thick atmosphere that you can barely even see out of, that traps the heat from the sun. You can see it's already 422 degrees Celsius. And you can barely even see that glow on there. There's a little bit of a glow. If you turn on the city lights, you can't see it because the atmosphere is thick. That's pretty much all I got to say for Venus. Oh, and it has a solid composition. It has a little bit of hydrogen in to keep the water. Now we have our home planet, Earth. You can see it's got a solid core right here. It has water that sticks because there's some hydrogen. You can see there's actually 97.7% chance of survival. And just so you know, this is what Earth's magnetosphere looks like. If you don't know. Earth is only 7.26 degrees Celsius. It's enough for people to live. Also, there is vegetation on here. So if you turn off all the vegetation, it will be just desert. But if you leave the vegetation on, you can see there is land. The Earth only has one moon, the moon. And yes, I'm not including moons in this because moons suck. Anyway, now we have Mars. The most red object in the solar system. It's got 2 asteroid moons that captured straight from the asteroid belt, which you can see in the background, kinda. Also, Mars has a really thin atmosphere that you can barely see, so I'll just turn it on for you to see. So that's what Mars looks like with the atmosphere. So that actually looks pretty cool. Also, there's some few asteroids that I'm going to put in this video anyway. So we got Palace. See, sun way up there. Palace is actually an asteroid. So then we have Vesta right here. And then we have the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system, Ceres. Right here, and that's what it looks like. Also, there's some liquid water right here, and you know when there's water, there's life. That's gonna basically be it for part 1. If you guys want to see a part 2, and I'll just make it in a few days. Bye!